Good morning children, myself Rajesh Dikruz. Welcome to the e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. Children, we are having Geography, Standard 7, Chapter 4. The lesson we are talking about the air around us. And in the first video, we had atmosphere and the composition of atmosphere. Now today we will see structure of the atmosphere. Children, you should know that this atmosphere in which we are living, this is classified or divided into 5 layers. The scientists have divided this atmosphere into 5 layers according to the density of the air. These 5 layers of the atmosphere are: first, the troposphere. The first layer at the surface of the earth is called troposphere. Second, up to the troposphere, the layer comes is called stratosphere. And then after that, the third layer above the stratosphere is mesosphere. And just above the mesosphere, the fourth layer is thermosphere. And the last one is exosphere. The fifth layer is exosphere. So children, we will see each layer in details, how much these layers of atmosphere are important for us. So let us talk first about the troposphere. Troposphere. This layer of the atmosphere is closest to the Earth's surface. As I have said that the first layer at the surface of the Earth is troposphere. It is close to the Earth. This troposphere is found 8 kilometer up to the 8 kilometer at the pole. At the pole, the density of air is very dense, very close and very cold. So, it is found only up to the 8 kilometer. But at the equator, because of high temperature and the air is warm, so density of the air decreases. So, the troposphere is found up to the 18 kilometer. Okay. Also, temperature decreases. You must know that temperature, the air in which we live has a temperature. This temperature varies place to the place. At the equator, at the pole, there are different type of temperature. Temperature decreases at altitudes at the rate of 1 degree Celsius after every 165 meters. Water vapor and dust particles are present in this layer. The troposphere, the closest to the earth, is very important for us because in this layer there is nitrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen, which are very essential for the human beings as well as for the plants. So, in this layer only these important gases are found. Also, it has got water vapor and dust particles. The atmosphere does not get heated directly by the sun rays. In this layer, the atmosphere does not get heated directly by the sun rays. The troposphere absorbs maximum heat from the warm earth. Next, we will see stratosphere. stratosphere. The next layer up to the troposphere is stratosphere. The stratosphere extends to a height of 50 km from the surface of the earth. It lies above the troposphere. So talking about from the earth's surface, after the 18 at the equator and 8 at the pole, the next layer start is stratosphere, and it is found up to the 50 km from the earth's surface. Temperature remains almost constant to a height of 20 km, beyond which it gradually rises till the stratosphere. So it is very important that temperature remains almost constant to the height of 20 km. To the height of 20 km, temperature remains almost constant. Then after that, the effect of the temperature is almost decreased. It gradually rises till the stratosphere. The belt of high temperature corresponds with the presence of ozone. It absorbs harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. So in this layer there is ozone, the gas, which is one of the most important air in the atmosphere, and this absorbs the ultraviolet rays of the sun, which is very harmful for our skin, and due to this our skin can get cancer. So those harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun is absorbed by the ozone, and this ozone gas is found in the stratosphere. As the stratosphere is free from the clouds, thunder and lightning, the atmosphere conditions are ideal for large jet planes to fly. Children, the clouds, dust particles, water vapors, these all are found in the troposphere, and stratosphere is free from all this. There is no cloud. The atmosphere is very clean in the stratosphere. So planes fly in this layer. The plane flies in the stratosphere only. Okay children, so I will stop it here. Again we will meet in the next video with the next topics. If you like my videos, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you. Bye bye.